So, welcome everyone. We are at the grand finale of the entire carnival. It's going to be a special quiz for all the volunteers and the people who helped us set up various games and the entire music carnival. It's a small token of appreciation as well as our way of saying thanks to each one of you for the wonderful job that you have done. And what better way than have Dr. S. Soumya, Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Dr. S. Soumya, host this entire game show, which will be a session of 3 rounds, and every round will have different folks participate, and wish all of you can enjoy this for the entire 2 hours. Over to you, Soumya.
Thank you, Rama. Thank you very much. Namaskaram. Good evening to all of you. Hi. எங்கேயோ மனசு ரொம்ப கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. ஐயோ கார்னிவலோட மாதிரி the grand finale எல்லாம் சொன்னானா, but however this is probably the beginning to the next carnival. Okay. Anyway, see, look at the way Sukritam thanks the volunteers and people who have done all this. அவளுக்கு quiz வச்சுதான் நாங்க தேங்க் பண்ற வழக்கம். அது எப்படிப்பட்ட குவிஸ், அது மாபெரும் குவிஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் லைன் அப் ஹியர் of the participants and also of the questions and the rounds that are here. You must have heard of the game Jeopardy. In the US lala, it's very commonly played, Jeopardy. Of course, there is a slight difference from what actually happens in Jeopardy. Usually Jeopardy abdinana, you have different topics, and the topics vandu onnonu a value is given to them. Today we'll only give love to all these people and lot of blessings and affection. Usually money is involved in this. Of course you will see rupees there. Idu ellathukku sandoshapadutradhukku naanga idha marla pannuvom. Okay, well, so the thing is, usually the answer is given in a Jeopardy game. The answer is given. The participants are supposed to come up with the relevant question. Usually answer kuduthirukna relevant question enna, that is the usual game, but we are not going to do that this time. So we don't know, but generally it's going to be, we ask you a question and then you come up with the answers. It's not that difficult, right? It's not that difficult, right, all participants? Okay, we have like absolutely amazing, brilliant artists, musicians, singers, and Vidwans, Vidushis here as our participants. Janani, Akshaya, Deepika Nandika, Abhiram Bode, Janani Govind, Vittal Rangan, Sai Rakshit, Abhiram Bode, Vishwesh Chandrasekhar. Have I covered everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So are we all ready ready now to start? Okay. We will probably, let Rama start the game for you. The thing is, what you have to do is, modalla othara select pannuvom. That person will have to choose. You can choose the topic that you want, and you can also choose the amount. Let me say rupees. Okay. Let me say the amount of money here. We'll go by that for now. But keep in mind, you can choose 1,000 rupees, but it'll be easy. If you choose 5,000 rupees, it's going to be tough. Avladha. A little tough. Avladha. So it is easy, a little less easy, lesser easy, least easy, a little tough. Avladha. Okay, there's no difficulty at all. So I'm sure the audience is also waiting to key in the answers. Come on, fastest fingers mari ninglo anga enjoy pannungo. So Rama, shall we start? So we select one person, right?
Yeah, and we'll go by alphabetical order. We'll choose Abhiram.
See, even though you choose it, you choose the yaar select pandralo, mattavalu they are allowed to press the buzzer. That is the way, right? So it's just that we start with one person, and then on the orderly post, say for example, if it is Janani, for example, Janani can choose the board, but then the answer can be given by any of you, the fastest on the buzzer. Am I right, Rama?
That's right.
Yes.
And the one who answers correctly gets to choose the next question.
Yes.
That's how we'll keep moving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we start? Rama, who's going to?
Yes. It'll be Abhiram. Please do the honors, Abhiram.
Okay, I'll go with the median 3,000.
3,000 on which?
Which one?
Who is who? Who is who?
Who is who?
Who is who?
3,000.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
that's a nice beginning.
Yeah. Yes.
Who played Dushyanta in the movie Shakuntala?
It's Abhiram.
Abhiram, your chance.
GNB?
That's right.
Full pair cholidungo.
GN Balasubramaniam, Mahavidwan GN Balasubramaniam.
Absolutely right. Yes, that was a brilliant start. So you get 3,000 rupees.
Thank you.
Well, I think in these times, even to hear the name is very nice. Anyway, so you get to choose the next tile. Let me put it that way.
4,000 hide and seek.
Okay. Wow. Brilliant. Okay, find the odd one out. So here, this round is like you have to choose the odd person out from the given list. Dr. L. Subramaniam, Dr. Sudha Seshayan, Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna, Dr. Sripada Pinakapani.
Yes, Abhiram?
L. Subramaniam, because the rest of them are vocalists.
No.
Okay, no.
Okay.
The next one, who has chosen it? Akshaya. Go for it, Akshaya.
Okay. Oh,
Dr. Sudha Seshayan.
Why?
Because he was an Isai Peragi.
What?
Isai Peragi.
No.
No.
No, sorry. Vishwesh?
Is it Dr. It's Dr. L. Subramaniam, because I think Dr. Sudha Seshayan, Dr. Balamurali Krishna Garu and Dr. Sripada Pinakapani are from Andhra Pradesh. And
from a quiz master's perspective, we prefer a particular answer. So, no.
I think I have that, but yeah, I lost my chance.
Okay. So, would you want to take it without points?
Yeah.
Abhiram?
Sure.
Go for it.
I think it's Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna because the rest of them are doctors by the profession.
Yeah, they're all medical professionals.
Yeah. Medical doctors. Exactly.
Oh, that is really bad.
Yeah. Okay.
So sad. Okay, who's the next one? Who will...
It's going to be Abhiram again because no one answered it.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
5,000 in Ask Me Anything.
Ask me anything. Okay, let me explain it before you click on it, Rama.
Yeah.
This is where, as I said, the proper Jeopardy game comes into play here. The answer will be given to you. You will now have to frame a relevant question. Okay?
Yeah.
Are we set, Abhiram? Oh, are we set, all of us? Okay.
Yeah.
Parijatapaharanam, Haribhakti Sudharnavam, Chandilya Bhakti Sutram, Vyakhyanam. Cherry, what question would you give? Who's that?
No, it's someone's computer buzzing.
Oh, I was so happy. Okay, they're all, you understand it's a work of somebody, right? They're all works of some illustrious music-related person.
Yeah, the timer has run out. So, yeah.
Abhiram யாருக்கும் விட்டு கொடுக்கறதே இல்லன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நான். Okay. The answer is name some works that have been authored by Sri Narayana Tirthar. Okay. Abhiram, again. Abhiram?
Oh, yeah. Okay,
yeah.
3,000 in Lost in Translation.
Okay, this is where this group is where the literal translation of a song is given. Okay, literal translation, absolutely. Not the gist of the meaning and all that. It's a literal translation. You will have to find the song. Go for it. Vittal Rangan.
Vittal.
Yeah. Is it Bantu the Koluvu?
No, sorry.
Okay.
ராமாலாம் போடலையே நாங்க இந்த இடத்துல.
Anyone else? 5 more seconds.
You can think different languages.
Yeah.
Can I answer?
Yeah.
ஆண்டவனே உன்னை நம்பினேன்.
Yes, very nice. Yes. பாட்டு தெரியுமா?
கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். I've heard the song.
ஆண்டவனே உன்னை நம்பினேன் அடிமை கடிமையான். பாபநாசம் சிவன் அவருடைய காம்போசிஷன் சண்முக பிரியா. Yes. Okay, now it's Akshaya's turn.
Yeah.
Okay. Ask me anything 2000.
Okay. She wants to frame a question.
Yeah.
Okay. Niroshta and English notes. Can you connect the two and frame a question?
Abhiram?
Who composed these two? There's a common the composer.
Yeah.
Both of them.
Okay. But then you have to, be specific.
No, the answer is not given here. Who composed is that is the answer.
Yeah.
You have to say, sir. No, that may not be. We have not given.
One thing. Yeah, they are not. We have not said anything about anyone here. But then, when you see these two, you have to form a pertinent question.
Yeah, that's not the relevant question.
Yeah.
Achcho, naane solliduven pol irukken answer.
Okay, can we move it on?
Oh, okay. I think I got it. Okay.
Yeah, last 2 seconds before we move on from you, Abhiram.
Okay, who composed? No. Okay, I'm still not able to frame a question. Yeah, these two are what are the two famous compositions of Muttiah Bhagavatar? Is that
okay?
We'll give it to you.
Because I had Muttiah Bhagavatar in mind, so that's how I framed the question. So
yes, name the two creations of.
Okay.
Name any two creations of Muttiah Bhagavatar.
Yeah.
Okay, Abhiram, back to you again.
Thank you. Okay. Hide and seek 3000.
Okay, again, find the odd man out. Find the odd one out. Vakulabharanam, Suryakantam, Chakravakam, and Tanarupi.
Yes, Abhiram.
Tanarupi. Because the rest of them are from the same chakra.
Which chakra would that be?
Third chakram.
And that is?
We'll
give you the points, of course, but...
Okay, sorry. Indu Netra, Agniya? No.
Agni.
Yeah, Agni, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, others. What's happening? Hey, ennachu Deepika Nandiga rendu per vera irkel ninga. Okay, and we have Janani, the two Jananis.
Yes, we have.
Yes, Sai Rakshit, where are you? Composing another music or something now? Come on. Okay, Abhiram, it's your chance, but then all of you be at the buzzer, please.
Color, what color do you see? 3000.
Okay. The color, what color? Let me just explain it to you. A color will be given, and then a concept. A concept will be given. You will have to combine the two, and that particular thing has to come in the first line itself. First line liye varanum. For example, if it is red, and it says Tamil folk melody. I'm just giving you an example. So I should in first line le maripo chekkachi vanda nirathal ayye vanji sembavalantanai nagai seyyadarathal chekkachi vanda and madri. So firstly odane varlenalum at least in the first line, but preferably the first two words irundha nalladhu. Okay, are we ready? It can be any language.
Yeah, you said 3000, right, Abhiram?
Yes, 3000.
Okay.
And it'll be nice if you can sing. It's blue and a deity.
Yeah, Deepika, Nandika.
Yeah.
Unmute yourself.
Unmute.
Neelaya Dakshiya. Neelam.
Okay. Let's give it to them. Okay, can you sing that?
ஒழுங்கா பாடம் இல்ல வேண்டாம்.
இல்ல பரவாயில்ல, அது ஆரம்பத்துல மாத்திரம் முதல் லைன் பாடிடுங்க.
இல்ல வேண்டாம், அவ்வளோ ஒழுங்கா பாடமே இல்ல, அதனால வேண்டாம்.
என்ன what composition, whose composition, என்ன ராகம்? Can you give us the details?
Oh,
நோவா? அப்ப சும்மா நீலாயுதாட்சி நடிக்க கூடாது.
Yes, 1 minute will tell you.
1 minute-ஆ?
Blanking out. Please கேள்விகள் கேட்டு பாடனா உடனே சொல்லிடுவோம். ஜஸ்ட் எனக்கு அந்த இது மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு.
Okay. If you are talking about Shama Shastri's composition?
Yeah, நீலாயதாட்சி.
ஆமா. Okay. I hope it is Paras. Okay.
yes. கொடுத்துடலாமாப்பா?
கொடுத்துடலாம். Okay.
அப்பாடி.
Okay, so now you get to choose. Unmute yourself when you are answering, please, Deepika and Nandika.
Lost in translation.
Okay. Which one? What denomination?
1000.
Okay.
Baby step, please.
Okay. Shall I?
Yeah. Direction don't know in the forest, for you searching, wandering.
Vittal.
Illa, no, you don't get to answer. Vittal has pressed the buzzer.
திக்கு தெரியாத காட்டில்.
Correct.
Yeah. Super.
It sounds funny, right? Okay, so Vittal has opened now. Okay, next. Vittal, you get to choose.
I get to choose?
Yes.
Okay. Name, place, animal, thing.
Okay.
3000.
Okay, so this one, we are opening it up for the first time now, this column. Idhula vandu, you will be given a line from a composition, and you'll also be given as to what it is, whether it is a place or a thing or an animal. You'll have to guess that particular thing. For example, ஏதோ ஒரு பாட்டுல என்ன சொல்லலாம் தெரியல எனக்கு. வாஹினி தட நிவாசினி கேசரி வாகனே தீதி ஜாலி விதாலனே இருக்குன்னா அதுல அப்படி போட்டுட்டு அனிமல் எழுதிருக்கும். You'll have to guess the animal. அந்த மாதிரி it can be a name, a place, an animal or a thing. Okay? All of you ready? Okay. Rama, yes.
Yeah.
Unnata Garta Tira Viharini Shri Puranritti Bhaga Garta Tira. Identify the place referred to as Garta Tiram.
Abhiram, go on.
குழித்தலை.
Yeah.
No. Can you?
I think I got the pronunciation wrong. Or
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can actually go for the exact translation and see. Kuli. What is it there? Garta Tiram.
ஆமா.
You got Kuli right.
And the Vishwanatham temple.
Adella correct. Yeah.
I'm not able to recall the exact name.
Because there are two different places. Kulittalai is different from anybody else.
Confused.
Should I move on from Abhiram?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, Abhiram.
No problem.
Is it Kurikarai?
Yes, it's
Yes.
Kulikarai.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because Tiram is Karai, right? In Tamil. Kulikarai is right,
Okay,
Janani.
okay.
Wonderful. You've opened your account now. Okay, next one. So you get to choose, Janani.
Hide and seek 1000.
Okay.
Okay.
Find the odd one out. Kunnakudi, Srirangam, Lalgudi, Thiruvattriyur.
Vishwesh, unmute yourself.
Kunnakudi is the odd one out because in the Pancharatnams, the Srirangam Pancharatnam, Lalgudi Pancharatnam, and Thiruvattriyur.
Absolutely. Who has composed them? Who's composed those Pancharatnam? Adi sollidunga.
Another?
Who has composed those Pancharatnams? Engadha nama audience ku sollidunga.
Tyagaraja Swami.
Right. Thank you. Yes. Wonderful. Super. I'm glad everybody is like, Sai Rakshit, come on. Anyway, Vishwesh, it's your chance to choose a tie.
Okay. Who is who? 4,000 rupees.
Who is who of 4,000?
Okay. Here goes.
Trace the Sishya Parampara of Patnam Subramaniar to Tyagaraja Swami.
So who is in between?
That's what, yeah.
Yeah.
Adu solliyaachu. So there's only one person you have to find out.
Rama, don't give clue.
No,
Okay, Janani.
I'm not sure.
Janani?
I'm not sure, but is it Valajapette Venkatramana Bhagavatar?
No.
No.
Okay.
Achicho. Minus pedite.
I think that's it.
That's it? Okay. Oh, it's Manam Pudichavadi Venkata Subbaiyer. Cha! I knew this. Cha! Okay. Now who's going to... I think you get to choose again. Who? Vishwesh, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll go with Who is Who 2000.
Who 2000.
Who was elected Sangeeta Kalanidhi in the year 1967? Not me, huh? I was born only 1969. Okay, Vishwesh.
Is it Vidwan Mudikondan Venkatramaiyer by any chance? Or yeah.
No, your chance is bad.
Okay.
Anyone else?
Anyone else?
Abhiram.
I pressed it by mistake.
Oh, you.
Oh.
Oh.
I'll still guess.
Okay, go.
Palakkad Maniyar.
No.
No. Wait. Okay.
None?
Yeah, none of them answered, so I think.
Shall I guess again?
Who is that? Vishwe? No. Okay, you can guess, but no points.
Paravalla.
Okay.
I think no one, because there were 1 or 2 years where none of them were given.
Yes, you're right.
Why?
No one was. No, that was the bicentenary year of Tyagaraja. Bicentenary year of Tyagaraja. Yes. Adinala nobody was given. Yes. Okay, again, Vishwesh, I think you get to choose once again.
Okay, just Who is Who 1000.
Okay, who wrote Sangeeta Sampradaya Pradarshini? Okay, Abhiram.
Subbarama Dikshitar.
Yes. Got back your points and balanced it out now. Okay. Okay, Abhiram, you get to choose, Abhiram.
Who is Who 5000?
Okay. Who was the father of Sri Anna Swami Shastri?
Abhiram.
Okay, Anna Swami Shastri was the adopted son of Subbaraya Shastri. Yeah, but I don't know the father's name though.
Aduthaan kashtam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. We'll have to move away from you, sorry.
Okay.
Anyone else? Okay. Time okay.
Last 2 seconds. Done. We are done.
Sri Panju Shastri.
Yeah.
நீங்க அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு சாஸ்திரின்னு சொல்லி இருந்திருக்கலாம் அபிராம். Anyway, so
Subbaraya Shastri varde.
Okay, so who gets to choose? Abhiram, right?
Okay. Name, place, thing, animal thing 5000.
Wow.
We'll go with the top.
Lot of risk taking, huh?
Okay. Sugununa Nila Sugunudu Anila Tanayudu Gavaya Gavakshulu. This comes in a composition, so you have to identify the animal. ஏன்னா அது அந்த சுக்குமி லகுதி மாதிரி இருக்குது, இப்படி மாதிரி இருக்கனால I thought I'll split it up.
Yes, is it the cow?
No. Gavaya Gavakshulu, that should be the...
Abhiram is taking all the risks, but the others are playing it pretty strategic.
Sai Rakshit, you have to open, okay, next one.
I think if he's being on 0, maybe he'll end up a winner.
Okay, now
the idea is for everyone to get
time is gone. Abhiram's time aita.
Ellagu time aita, but yeah, we can share this.
Can I guess?
Yes,
yeah.
Is it a snake?
No, why?
No.
I just felt Gavaya, maybe, probably, I don't know.
But actually, Gavaya is more of a cow in Sanskritam at least. But no, in this case, this is from the composition Sundara Dasharatha. Sundara Dasharatha ராமா காப்பில தியாகராஜரோடதுல அதுல அந்த கவய கவாக்ஷுல அவெல்லாம் அந்த கவய கவாக்ஷா ஆர் ஆல் தி வானராஸ். ஆமா, சுகுனுடு அனில தனயுடு, அதுவே தட் இஸ் அனதர் பிரிச்சு சொன்னேன். அனில தனய யார்? ஹனுமான். Okay, there we go. Okay, again I think Adnan gets to choose.
Yeah,
I'll go with an easy one. Ask me anything 3000.
okay.
Relatively easier, not exactly an easier one. Yeah.
Okay. So just remember that you have to frame a question here.
Yeah. Ragam Gopriya. Okay. அதாவது இந்த ஆரோகணம் அவரோகணம் என்ன அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கேட்டு பாடிட்டு என்னன்னு கேக்குறது அந்த மாதிரி இல்ல. So that is the yes, Vittal. Vittal, go on. I think you have to unmute yourself.
Okay. Name a ragam which from any point, which from any swaram you sing, you get the same graha bedam. You see, you get the same scale.
Okay. Okay, give it to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. You can also say, yeah.
Whole tone scale.
Which ragam is a whole tone scale? Okay, for a reference, it is sa ri ga ma da ni sa ni da ma ga ri sa. Rishabha Priyakku paalama sa ri ga ma da ni. My guru has composed a composition in this ragam. Namoravina Radha Nagaraja Shayana Namoravina Radha. Okay, that is Sangeeta Kalanidhi Dr. S. Ramanathan's composition in Gopriya. Yes, next year Vittal gets to choose.
Yeah.
I will take color 4000.
What color?
4000.
4000.
Okay. Shall I?
Yes, please. Green and gemstone. Remember, it should come in the very first line, the first few words. For example, you can't sing Marakatha Chaye, Shiva Jaye, which I did. So I was wrong. So Anala, I'm telling you.
Akka. Okay, 5 more seconds to go. No risk. Yeah. Go on.
Is it Maragata Manimaya?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It was made easy for you. It's okay.
I made use of the opportunity.
Marakatha Mani Varna, Marakatha Mani Maya, Marakatha Valli. Okay. Okay, Vittal.
Okay. Ask me anything 4000.
Okay. Question, please.
Periyal.
Peri, Makara,
Sagoda, Shenkottu.
You are in form right now.
I know, I can see that.
Oh my God.
I can see Bharat Sundar Vidya.
You can see me here.
Yeah, the timer is expired, so.
You can see me here.
No, I don't want to see you. Okay. Okay, the question is, they are all different types of yal. So, what are the, name a few yals from the ancient Tamil music? I gave away the answer actually. I said Periyal. Anyway.
Okay, Vittal
again. Let me choose hide and seek 2000.
Okay.
Awesome.
Find the odd one out. Khanda Triputa, Mishra Rupakam, Tishra Matya, and Sankirna Chapu. Sai Rakshit. Yes.
All the others are part of Sankirna Chapu Mattum is a compressed talam. The other ones are part of your Alankaram. Not correct. But
no. Alankaram in the sense you mean the what we practice usual Alankaram.
ஆமா அதுக்கு வார்த்தை ஆனா எனக்கு I'm missing something.
No, but then நம்ம கண்ட திருப்புட்ட மிஸ்ரு
No, as in திருப்புட்
okay.
அப்படி திருப்புட்ட தாளம் ரூபக தாளம் மட்டிய தாளம் they're all complete. I'm struggling to put the words together, but சங்கீர்ண சாப்பு மட்டும் பஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
ஆமா I just bus.
Yeah. Okay, so
time up Rama.
Time up.
Yeah, and then so who is it? Anybody else?
It's still there, right? Okay, so Khanda Triputa, Mishra Rupakam, Tishramatim have 9 akshara columns, and Sankirna Chapu has 14. I mean, no, not 14. 18, I mean, basically 9. Sankirna Chapu is 9. Oh. They're all 9. Oh my god. Come on.
Okay. Anyone else wants? Because I think we'll have to let this one go as well. Sorry,
yes. And so the answer is
so foolish of me. Okay.
Answer is
yes. But you were right that Abhiram, with respect to the Akshara Kanakku, yes. That was the basis.
Okay.
You got the number.
Yeah, Tisramati is 8, not 9 as you said.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, others are 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. இதெல்லா 9. Anyway, so Sai Rakshit தான். ஆமா.
இல்ல I think it's Vittal again.
No.
Again.
Oh.
இல்லையா?
இல்ல Vittal தானா?
Oh, okay.
Because no one answered this one.
Oh, right, correct.
Okay. Lost in translation 4000.
Okay. Here goes.
Who knows? His greatness, temple drama, dancing pride.
Okay, Deepika, Nandika, unmute yourself and say.
Unmute Deepika.
யாருக்கு தான் தெரியும்?
அப்புறம் இருக்கே மத்ததெல்லாம் சொல்லணுமே. His greatness, temple drama, dancing pride.
Sorry, நான்
வேற
ஒரு பாட்டு தெரியும் அந்த அதே இதுல.
யாருக்கு தெரியும்?
அவர் மகிமை
டெம்பிள் டிராமா அப்படியே டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணுங்களே. கேன் யூ டைம் ஆயிட்டா?
ஆமா டைம் ஆயிட்டா. பட் இது வரைக்கும் யாருக்கு தான் தெரியும் அவர் மகிமை வரைக்கும் சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
அதனால I think we have to give it to them and Abhiram no because rest he will sing. இவ்வளவு தூரம் வந்தாச்சு. அவர் மகிமை என்ன பண்ணிடலாம்?
Your call.
I think we'll give it to them. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay. யாருக்கு தான் தெரியும் அவர் மகிமை அம்பல நாடகமாடிய பெருமை. தேவ மனோகரி. Okay. So, okay, you get to choose. Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Sorry, Lost in translation 2000.
Aha. On the street is he coming, slightly turning. Look at me.
Oh, இது வந்து பதம் இது வந்து
No, don't say it before pressing the buzzer.
Press the buzzer then.
ஐயோ தெரியும்னா சொல்லு.
Press the buzzer.
தெருவில் வாரானோ. தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்று திரும்பி பாரானோ.
அதேதான் சூப்பர். அம்மா நீங்க கொஞ்சம் அந்த பஸரை பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க. உங்க எந்தூசியாசம்ல அப்படியே
இந்த பஸர் பிரஸ் பண்ற டைம் எடுத்துக்கிறதுல கொஞ்சம் வந்து யோசிக்கிற மாதிரி தோன்றது எனக்கு.
ஆமா எஸ் I think we'll have to yes. Okay, you get to choose again.
ask me color அத கலர் வேணா போலாம். இது கலர் 2000 சரி 1000.
Okay, here goes.
White and composition.
வெள்ளை தாமரை.
Can you sing?
வெள்ளை தாமரை please
பாரதியார் ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுவார்.
கரெக்ட் தான். ஓகே
ப்ளீஸ்
வெள்ளை தாமரை பூ பூவில் இருப்பாள். கரெக்ட் தான். ஆமா,
எடுக்கணும் எங்கேருந்தோ வர மாட்டேங்குது.
ஓகே ஓகே, யூ கெட் இட் அகைன்.
ஓகே,
எஸ், அண்ட் ஓகே யூ கெட் டு சூஸ் அகைன். இப்ப வாங்க பாப்போம், திரும்பி லாஸ்ட் இன் டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன் போறேலான்னு 5000க்கு.
நீங்க தான் சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல போட்டிருப்பேல, அதனால நோ. நேம் பிளேஸ் அனிமல் திங் 1000 போலாமா? இல்ல கலருக்கே 2000 போலாம். கலர் 2000.
ஓகே.
Black and poem. யார் வேணா பஸர் பிரஸ் பண்ணலாம். It's not just them.
Yeah.
Come on. யூரு, come on. நான் சொல்லிடுவேன் போல் இருக்கு as usual. அப்புறம்
10 more seconds to go. Sai Rakshit.
Hey, unmute Sai.
Just guessing. Kalaharana.
No. Illa. Sorry.
Yes, Abhiram.
No, this was again accidental.
Oh my God.
I'm just losing out.
But you want to try something that
I don't
starts...
have anything in mind actually.
Okay. Sorry, Abhiram.
I know. Okay, that's it. Avladhaan illa Rama. So we have to get the answer. Kakkai chiraginile nandalala nindran kariya niram. Okay, but Deepika, Nandika get to choose again.
Yeah.
Okay. Name place animal thing 1000. தப்பான இது கொடுத்துட்டேன்.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I had a window here.
பரவாயில்ல, இது ரொம்ப ஈஸி தானே. You only have to ask a question. Go on, ask a question. Sorry about that, but it's okay. என்ன question சொல்லணும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
Trace out the Shishya Parampara.
Hey, no, wait.
Abhiram has to answer.
Wait பண்ணு.
Yeah, I said trace out the Shishya Parampara of Tyagaraja Swami.
That is not very can you word it differently? Can you your thinking is right, but if you kelvi ketta I may give a different answer, so that this answer may not be right. Adanalda
there are 3 major schools of Tyagaraja Swami students, Shishya Parampara.
Okay, and so the question is,
yeah, name the 3 major schools of Tyagaraja Swami Shishya Parampara. Okay.
Yeah.
Framing the questions is actually so difficult than answering them.
See, okay, you've got now.
Yeah, sorry about that. There are a lot of people in the waiting room, so each time someone joins, I get a notification, and I couldn't see name, place, animal thing exactly. Sorry about that.
No, Nallava, it was easy, Rama. No worries. Anyway, so Abhiram, you get to choose.
Name, place, animal thing 2000.
Okay.
Uma Dasa, identify the name or names, whatever may be relevant.
There is some clicking going on. Typing on keyboards.
No, I think it's from my place. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay. Yeah, someone buzzed. Not yet. Okay, the timer has run down. So.
Oh, Uma Dasa. It's not one person. It's Anai and Ayya. Another and the S there. Okay, next one. So Abhiram again.
Name, place, animal thing 4000.
Stone, footwear, bow, arrow, axe. Connect these things in a composition. Well, the ragam is given in Shanmukha Priya. Come on, you must be at the buzzers. Yella, I should see yella yellow. எந்த பாட்டுல வருது? Shanmukha Priya பாட்டுல. ஷோ பாரு, ராமா வந்து பரட்டி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கான். அங்க ஏதாவது ஒன்னானு எல்லோ வருதான்னு.
I think the timer has run out again. Should we?
Yes. தந்தை தாய் இருந்தால் உலகத்தில் உமக்கிந்த அல்ல full charanam is entirely like this. கல்லால் ஒருவன் நடிக்க வில்லால் ஒருவன் நடிக்க அந்த மாதிரி வரும் நிறைய. ஓகேயா? சரி, ஓகே. அபிராம் again.
Name place animal thing 1000. Do away with the easiest one.
Okay.
Srinatadi Guru Guho Jayati. Identify the place where this was composed.
Okay, Abhiram.
Abhiram?
Go for it.
Yeah. Tirutani.
Correct. Yes. Tirutani, where Dikshitar is supposed to have got Calcutta. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so you get to choose again.
Denomination. I didn't seek 5,000.
I didn't seek 5,000.
Find the odd one out. Bajare Rechitta, Sri Vishwanatham Bajeham, Sri Vaidyanatham Bajeham, Angarakam Ashrayamyaham.
Abhiram again.
Sri Vishwanatham Bajeham because it's the Raga Malika.
So, your call.
Yeah, your call.
Well, you are right in a way, but the idea with which it was coined is different. So, பாதி பாயிண்ட்லாம் தரலாமா? கிடையாதுல்ல?
கொடுக்கலாம், but answer correct ஆ இருக்கு. அதனால ரீசன் நம்ம கேட்கல.
அதனால மார்க் போட வேண்டியதுதான். Okay, there we go. Okay.
Finally.
Can you guess the other?
But can you guess what the answer would be?
I don't know.
Okay, the rest are all composed on deities at Vaidishwaran Kovil.
Okay.
Bala Ambal, Vaidishwaran Kovil Ambal.
Right.
And then you have Sri Vaidyanatham, Angarakam on the Muthukumaraswamy.
Correct.
At the Vaidishwaran Kovil.
Okay.
2 more to go.
Lost
Again,
in translation,
only.
5,000. Lost in translation.
Okay, here goes.
Searching for you, I surrendered. Country, எனக்கு அந்த போற தெரியலையே. Okay, country.
Pearl change.
Country pearl change.
Come on. There is actually not even 5,000 material.
Yeah.
ஆமா.
Abhiram.
Tedi. I don't know the song, so I just heard it. So.
Okay, say the words.
Tedi unai sharanadindhen. அதுக்கப்புறம் தெரியாது.
Country pearl change சொல்ல வேண்டாமா? தேசமுத்துமாரி.
Yeah, correct.
Tedi unai sharanadindhen தேசமுத்துமாரி. மகாகவி சுப்பிரமணிய பாரதியாருடைய ஆனந்த களிப்பு. Yes, okay. Abhiram, so the last one you have known now. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
5,000, yes.
Go for it, yeah.
Golden composer. Yes,
Abhiram again.
Oh, okay. Golden.
Adada.
Time's running out.
Yeah.
See
Time has run out.
The theme. Okay. Anybody else?
Yeah, Vittal.
Varna Venkatesha Dikshidhar.
Correct.
Yes. Brilliant. So now we are at a position where we have 2 winners, Akka. Both.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
A tie. So how do we break the tie?
Abhiram, I tell you, powerfully, like, look, this is more like a strategy game, huh?
Absolutely.
Last question lo vandu adustam.
I literally jeopardized myself.
We are waiting for a tiebreaker.
Okay, tiebreaker enna pannalam? Shall we spin the wheel or should we go for a question, a wager or something like that? What do we do?
Yeah, let's go on the Zoom call right now and just raise our hands as the buzzer. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. And Akka, you can come up with any question you like, just a question, and we'll see who raises hands first and we can.
Ava rendu per thane, either
Ama.
or and Deepika Nandika, right?
Do you know how to raise hands?
Okay, this is very tough. What question shall I ask?
No, not like this. There is an option to raise hand in Zoom.
Amama.
We don't know.
There's reaction.
Yeah,
The-
no, we just have only this and clapping.
So how do we do that?
We'll raise our hand, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I go? Okay.
Yes, Akka. Come on.
Who is the composer of the composition in Danyasi, Paruvam Parka Nyayama?
நல்ல வேளை.
பருவம் பார்க்க நியாயமா பராத்பரியே. ஐயோ, இன்னொரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்க வச்சிடாதீங்க என்ன.
இல்ல, the best reaction to this question is this song itself.
இல்ல ஒருத்தர் ரைஸ் பண்ணலையே. So I go for another question, is it?
Yes, Akka.
Okay. Chishu, I'm stuck for a question now.
Bharat, you want to try?
Yeah, come on, Bharat.
Question
Please ரெண்டு வின்னர் கொடுத்துருங்களேன், பாவம்.
ரொம்ப சௌரியம்.
டைமர் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு.
Okay, okay.
ஆமா, டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Easy, you want an easy question or a slightly difficult question?
ஈஸி தான், இவ்வளவு தூரம் வந்துட்டோம்ல, ப்ளீஸ். ஈஸியா நான் மட்டும் சொல்லலாம், அதை விட அசிங்கமாயிடும். ஓகே, நீங்க பாத்துக்கோங்க.
Okay.
Hey, I didn't give the answer for that question.
Yeah.
Yadakku yosi.
Ama.
Paruvam Parka Nyayama has been composed by Uma Dasa. Adira Aanai Ayya. Another கேட்டேன் because அதுல வந்து.
Okay. Who composed the Sri Ragam Aditala Varnam? Very simple question.
My God. My God.
நான் பார்த்தேன், அது அந்த கேம் வேற ஆடினேன், கார்னிவல்.
5 4 3 2 sorry 1.7 2.1
எனக்கு
0. சரி சொல்லு.
இல்ல கொத்தவா அவர் இல்ல.
தப்பா சொன்னா நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கிங்.
நான் முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் தான் நான் சொன்னேன் சேஃபா.
Okay, the last question. Let me ask you this. இல்ல கர்ப்பபுரி வாசர் அப்படிங்கிறது யாரோட முத்ரா?
இவர் எனக்கு தெரியும். கௌரி மனோகரில கூட அந்த பாட்டு இருக்கே.
இப்படிதான் இதுக்கு பேர் தான் அந்த கொக்கி போட்டு இழுக்கிறதுங்கிறது.
Who?
Bro சமயமித்தே.
கர்ப்பபுரி வாசர் வந்து கர்ப்பபுரி வாசர் is a mudra. So who is the composers யாரு?
At least composition சொல்லிட்டோம்.
அது நல்லா இருக்கு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நாங்க காம்போசிஷன் சொல்லிட்டோமே. ஸ்ரீராக வர்ணம் is that அவரோடதுதான்.
So basically you have been asked the same question.
ஐயோ தெரியும்
கமிட் ஆயிட்டீங்க.
விட்டல் சிரிச்சு உட்கார்ந்திருக்கான் பாரு.
விட்டல் வந்து
நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கிங்ல.
ஆமா, விட்டல் அவங்க நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கிங்ல
ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாம். ப்ரோ
இருக்கிறத காப்பாத்தினா போறோம்.
பாடா
Okay, try.
The answer is
அது நான் சொல்லிட்டேனே, கர்ப்பபுரி வாசர் சொல்லிட்டேன். கர்ப்பபுரி வாசர்ங்கிறது யாருன்னு என்னோட கேள்வி. கரூர்
சொல்லு சாயிரக்
தேவுடு ஐயரா?
ஆமா,
தேவுடு ஐயர், கரூர் தேவுடு ஐயர்.
ரெண்டு பேர் பெத்த தேவுடு சின்ன தேவுடு. There were actually 4 brothers of which 2 of them composed. Yes. Okay. Actually we had fun.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Okay. Thank you also. So it's a tie. In the first round is a tie between Vittal Rangan and Deepika Nandika. Okay.
Yeah.
Super play.
Right.
And lovely.
Well played.
Great. Okay, I'm going to
Abhinav, I do have to appreciate your participation in this. And
such a pleasure.
And others also, Akshaya, Vishwesh also, trying to answer also. All of you.
Sai,
Akshaya, Sai. Yeah. Thank you. Bye, guys. welcome the new faces. I really want to express my happiness at seeing all of you musicians here, and many of you I'm seeing after a long time now, and really very happy to have you, to have had you also on board. And fantastic work you've all done sitting at home. And Rajiv, especially all the way from US, help I mean, no words at all. Thanks so much. And Shreya, Praveen. Then we have certain parents here, but who are also musicians, like Divya, Girish, then Kalpalatika, Ravi. Then we have Kishore Ramesh, Mridanga Vidwan, Shruti Bhatt, Srinidhi. Of course, our Chandrasekhar Iyer Wall. Whatever kids alla appada solindrukka ella koyanda Chandrasekhar Iyer Wall. So it's real lot of fun. I'm really very happy to have you all here. Yes, Chandru, without much further ado, let's start with you selecting the tile.
Face mashup 2000.
Okay. Rama, click button. Should we say what it is?
First time only.
Yeah, first time only solrom. Face mashup is where rendu musicians, it can be instrument vasikiravaru irkalam or a vocalist. Two musicians' faces will be mashed, okay? And you'll have to find who the two people are. Okay? At your buzzers.
Yes.
Yay! Who are the two people? Chandru.
Charumuthi Raghuram and the other one, half correct.
Come
other
on.
one is
Chandru.
The timer has run down, Chandru, but okay. Akka, can we give half the points to?
I think so. Yes. Half, and then I think we have Rajiv waiting, right? Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rajiv and Kritika, yes.
I think it might be Bhavya.
No, it's Rajiv. Oh, sorry.
Give the answer.
Rajiv. I think I look a little different.
Do you minus 500,000?
Yeah, so minus marks there.
Yeah, Kishore Ramesh, right? Yes, Kishore.
Kishore, unmute.
Yeah, it's Charumuthi Raguraman and Akkarai Sonalata.
No.
Yeah, I think time's up.
Yeah.
So can I go for it? Can I go for it one more time?
Shruti Bhatt unda illana kadiyada?
Only 3 akka.
Only 3. Yes, sorry.
Chandru, you can try, but no points.
Yeah. No, never mind. You can give the answer. That's okay.
Okay, the answer is yeah. Srinandini Santana Gopal and Srimati Charumuthi Raghuram.
Rama, I think you made a small mistake.
Yeah, tell me.
You reduced 2,000 for Raji. You shouldn't have reduced 1,000.
Yeah, no, I was going to correct that after.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Okay, Chandru, that was a bright start. So you get to choose again.
Okay, then I'll go for face mashup. That's safer. 3,000.
Okay, here goes.
Okay.
Chandru, come on.
Buzzer.
Rajiv first.
Thiruvarur Bhaktavatshalam. And இன்னொன்னு சரியா தெரியல.
Okay. Probably answer. Okay. So should we move on, Akka?
Yes. Have you? I think they come to 0 now.
No, I will.
Do that later.
Was it for? It was for 3,000 less, so I should get 1,500. So I should be 500, not 0.
Sorry about that. Okay, Chandru.
Thiruvarur Bhaktavachalam and Dr. S. Karthik.
Super.
Confident அடிக்கிறான் Chandru.
ஆமா.
Okay.
என்ன பண்றதுக்கா, because we can't go by 500. So I think we will have to
3,000 தானே 1,500 right?
500 increase பண்ண முடியாது.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'll give 2,000 points to every correct answer.
Okay.
Let's do that. Okay, I think Rajiv came from minus 1,000 to plus 1,000.
Look at that 500 bonus coming from US special. Okay, again Chandru gets to choose or Rajiv half and half irukku
Chandru sonadnala will go with Chandru. Illa first Rajiv sona.
Rajiv.
Yeah. Rajiv,
choose the time.
Raga in a picture 2000. Yeah.
Okay, Raga in a picture. So you have to find out
I just want to explain you. I want you to explain what it is like. How the question is going to be. Yeah.
Ama, it's the picture paathuta adu enna ragamnu kandupidikiradhu. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி. Yeah. ரொம்ப ஈஸி.
Praveen, yeah, opening the account.
Copy.
Super.
Amazing. Kalpanatika, Divyaka, backup.
Okay, now I think Praveen and Shreya get the chance to select the tile. Yeah.
Can you tell us what rewind is?
Okay, this is very interesting. The rewind, you will get to hear a song. The rewind panina, how will you hear it?
Reverse.
Ama.
பாடி காமிக்கணுமா என்ன பண்ணோம்?
இல்ல வேண்டாம், நல்ல வேளை அதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம். அது ஒருத்தர் பாடி இருக்கார் ஆல்ரெடி. நம்ம அஸ்வத் நாராயணன் ஆல்ரெடி பாடி இருக்கார். We thank him for that. You have to find out what song that is by listening to that track.
Yeah, it's a track in reverse. You have to imagine. Yeah. You have to get the right song.
Okay, yeah, why not? Let's give it a shot. Rewind 1000 to start with.
Okay.
Rajiv.
Bhoshambho.
Anna. You want to hear it, Anna?
Yeah.
Bhoshambho.
No, not this.
Shiva Shambho.
Yes, Akka.
சும்மா சொன்ன அது முன்னாடி இருக்கிறது. That sounds really. Anyway, let's proceed. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct answer. So Rajiv and Kritika, you get to choose.
Blur. Yeah. Blur.
Blur. Okay. This will be a picture. Of course, blur பண்ணி கொடுத்திருக்கோம். You have to identify.
Any rate?
2000.
Okay. Come on.
Not able to press.
Shruti, but
Opening the account.
S. Kalyan Raman, sir.
Correct. Very good. Yes. Lovely. So you have opened the account now. Yes. So you get to choose, Shruti, that next tile.
Mute 3000.
Okay. So this one mute ங்கிறது வந்து எப்படின்னா we have of course K Gayatri will be singing. Mute ல பாடுவா அவளுடைய lip movement வச்சு you will have to find out what compositions she is singing. Okay?
But yeah. There will be a music to distract you though.
I think we have two buzzers, so I just stopped it for now. Yeah.
Praveen and Shreya and Praveen. Yeah.
Neru Samana.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
You get to choose Shreya and Praveen.
Okay. Glitch. What is glitch?
Okay. Glitch is like you'll be listening to a composition. Didirna you will get a hiss sound. And then it will continue again. So what are those words that you have missed during the hiss sound? Okay. Teliyaleru ram. Mu teliya and mari. Okay, go for it.
I mean, something else in town. So, okay. Raga in a picture 3000.
Okay.
Okay.
BD.
Okay, we have Chandru.
Go on.
Suruti.
Correct.
Very nice.
Super. Lovely.
Can you sing a song in that, Chandru?
Come on, தெரியுமே உனக்கு பாடு அமக்கலமா.
ஒரு டூரே பண்ணிருக்க.
We'll move on, yeah.
அப்படின்டா சந்துரு.
செலக்ட் பண்ணு சந்துரு.
Face mashup. 1000.
I think we'll have to ban face mashup for Chandru.
Sorry, 1000 face mashup.
Yeah.
Odane varana buzzer.
Identify. Yes, Shruti Bhatt.
எனக்கு வரல buzzer related.
Is it Srimati Sudha Raghunathan ma'am? And தெரியலையே நித்யஸ்ரீ மகாதேவன் அவளா?
You're asking a question or answer?
Okay, I'm just guessing. Okay, it is Srimati Sudha Raghunathan ma'am and Nityashree Mahadevan. Abdina, that is my guess.
Okay.
That's right.
Correct. That's correct.
Okay.
1 minute, Rama. I think Kalpalatika lost her factile.
Oh, she just has to rejoin.
Refresh and rejoin. Yeah, one second. Kalpalatika, are you here?
Yeah, got it.
Got it. Okay. Super.
Okay, awesome.
So, Shruti, you get to choose.
Glitch 2000.
Okay.
Praveen and Shreya, yes.
Rasakaye, Sakaye.
Very super.
Interesting.
Yeah, you get to choose again, Shreya and Praveen.
You choose.
Okay, glitch works. Glitch 3000.
Glitch works.
Okay, here goes.
ಸತತಮು ನೀನು ಮದಿ ಮರುವಕನೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ, ಸತತಮು ನೀನು ಮದಿ ಮರವಕನೆ.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, great. Maravakane, Maruvakane Varaj. Sorry, okay. You get to choose.
Bharat, do you want to sing that line again?
No.
No, we are fine. We are hard pressed for time. Let's go.
Okay. Raga in a picture, 4000.
Okay, here goes.
Easy. Girishana, go. Yeah, see?
Yes.
Danyasi.
Yosi, Abhi.
Danyasi.
Kalpalatika, go.
Srinidhi Govind.
Nirangu?
No.
Who's the next one?
Chandru.
Neelamani?
No.
Oh, Poch.
Avladha.
But we can probably let Kishore Ramesh just without points.
No, I was going to give the same answer. So
yeah. Shruti, but
can I try?
I know the answer.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Chintamani?
Yeah, that's nice.
But no points.
No
sorry.
points, good one.
Chintamani, yes.
Yeah. So
Okay.
again, it'll be Shruti, right?
Shruti.
Chandru, I can understand money, but what is that Neelam?
Okay, so I'll go with the 3000 for
Neela,
rewind.
not
Another 3000 for
Rewind.
Okay. Yes, Ashwath Narayan's track.
ಎರಬುಡು ದಿವಿಡು ತುಮರವರ ಸಿದ್ಧಸಿರಿ
Chandru.
Just a guess. Muttei
Correct. Yeah.
Fantastic, Chandru.
அஸ்வத் இப்படி பாடினதுக்கு நிஜமாவே எல்லாரும் ஹேட்ஸ் ஆஃப்.
முத்திரு நகையத்திக்கு.
Okay. Next one, Chandru.
Ravi, Kalpa.
ஆமா அக்கா.
கிடுகிடுன்னு பஸ்ஸரை பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க.
I'll go for rewind again 2000.
Okay.
என்ன வச்சு நல்லா செய்றீங்க.
Chandru.
Chandru.
அதான் சொல்லிடு.
I'm out.
ஐயோ.
Oh God, negative.
Can you play once?
No.
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Praveen.
மனவியாலகிంచరా.
ஆனா சந்திரனுக்கு ரிவர்ஸ்ல வாசி பழக்கம். அதனால தான் அதை சூஸ் பண்றாங்க.
அது வந்து கொரப்புடா.
Okay, Shreya and Praveen, your
choose.
Raga in a picture 5000.
Okay.
Girishana, go. Kalpa, Girishana, Kalpa.
Come on.
Go, easy.
Okay.
யாரும் இல்ல. Srinidhi Govind. Come on.
10 more seconds.
Come on.
Rajiv, Praveen, Chandru.
Rajiv. Okay, Rajiv and Kritika. Yeah.
We are not sure, but Kaikavasi?
Yeah.
Yasi.
Almost, yeah. Sorry.
Amma. Illa. Nobody else?
Girishana.
Chumma guessing? Anyone? No points.
Can I guess? Ahiri?
No. Why?
Audience la nariya per guess pannida.
Wow, super.
Audience la nariya per, yes.
Girishana.
Every nariya per. Ranjani Shivakumar.
Girishana, நீங்க ஏற்கனவே guess பண்றீங்க.
Danya C it was. Yashi, Kritika, you and Rajiv, you got Yashi, but I don't know why you changed it to Vashi. Anyway, we'll continue. Yes. Now who gets to choose? Yaar just Iva select panna liya. Shreya and Praveen selected.
Yes.
Yeah, so you get to choose again.
Oh, okay. Rewind 4000.
Okay.
Radivadamidarash Arushakiramash.
I was expecting your buzzer.
Shara Samare.
All right.
Okay, Chandru, select.
Face mashup 4000.
I think you have to ban face mashup for Chandru.
That's last time. Yeah. Anyway,
Okay.
go ahead.
Here goes.
This is a tough one.
I'm like curious. Chandru again. Yes.
Chandru.
Is it Delhi Sundarajan Anna and Nellai Balaji?
Actually, good guess. Actually, very good guess.
Yeah. Ana illa. Half kudkalam.
Half, and then who was the second one? Okay, Praveen and Shreya.
That was the same.
Yeah, that was our exact guess.
Okay.
Okay, Rajiv and Kritika.
Anyway, we know one half.
Yeah.
Murari Anna?
No. Illa. So
minus points இல்லையா guess பண்ணு.
இல்ல
minus points இருக்கு தப்பா guess பண்ணு.
If you answer no, yes.
We will wait for 5 seconds and then guess.
Rajiv?
Is it Neyveli Narayan?
One second. Rajiv?
ஆமா அவதான் சொல்றா. கிருத்திகா and ராஜீவ் தான் சொல்றா. இல்ல.
எனக்கு பார்க்க முடியல, சாரி.
டைம் ஆயிடுதா ராமா?
Neyveli Narayan?
இல்ல. Anybody else?
V Sanjeev by any chance?
No.
இல்ல.
What is fascinating is எல்லா மிருதங்க ஆர்டிஸ்ட் பேரும் வருது.
ஆமா. ஆமா. ஆன்சர் அவர்தான்.
ஆன்சர் அவர்தான்.
Oh my god.
ஆமா.
We have one right just from the audience.
Just after the time ended, -2000 உண்டு ஆகுது.
உண்டு மூணாவது வந்துட்டேல இல்லையோ. See, the thing is, I think everybody got carried away because of the lack of hair. Nobody could guess.
Rama, do I get the half points?
You do.
Yeah, you did. Yes, you got it. 7,000 and 9,000 bit.
Okay.
Next, Chandru, you get to choose.
I go for the glitch 1000.
Good. Hey, no, வரவே இல்ல சந்திரு.
పలుకు రావణుడు తెలియలేకపోయాడు.
ఓకే.
இது என்ன பண்ணுது?
என்ன பண்றது? ஃபுல்லா கொடுக்க வேண்டியதான்.
இல்ல the thing is, okay, my request is when you press the button, glitch வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம்
sorry
இல்லனா ஃபுல் பாட்டு பாடணும், ஃபுல் லைனும்.
Okay, sorry about that.
இல்ல நீ ஃபுல்லா பாடி காட்டனே இப்ப கொடுத்துறோம். சரி, next Chandru, again you get to choose.
And I'll go for a Raga in the picture 1000.
Okay. உடனே சொல்லலாம் அது.
ஆமா.
பாஸ்.
Yes,
Kishore.
Vanaspati.
Super.
Correct.
நான் பஸ்ஸர் வரலடா. Vanaspati சொல்லுவாங்க, பஸ்ஸர் வரல.
Okay, Kishore.
Kishore, you get to choose.
Can I see the options please? எனக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி மறக்குது screen. Yeah. Blur 3000.
3000 na?
Blur.
Chandru.
Veena Balachandra by any chance?
Illa.
Which?
Kalpa Latika.
Yes, Kalpa Latika.
Come on.
Correct.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Right. It's Veena Chitti Babu sir.
Yeah.
Okay, you get to choose Kalpa.
Just 1 second. Face mashup 5,000.
Okay, here goes.
This is a toughie.
Okay, Chandru. Illa Chandru da first ah.
Chandru da.
KV Prasad sir and above one is on the the Australia Veena player, if I'm not wrong. I don't know his name. That duo, Veena duo.
Illa. Rendu wrong Chandru. So full negative. Sorry.
Okay, Shreya and Praveen.
Atri Satish Kumar sir and Sanjay Subramaniam sir.
Wow.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Wow, that was brilliant.
Yes.
Real tough one.
Great. Okay. Next, yeah. So you get to choose Shreya and Praveen.
Blur 4,000.
Okay.
Oh.
Buzzer. You cannot press the buzzer.
Oh my god.
And my buzzer didn't work, man.
Okay, Kishore Ramesh.
Tanjore Upendran sir.
Yeah.
You got a question from his grandson.
What a coincidence.
Seriously guys, we didn't plan any of these.
Yes. So to have got for the audience, why we are all excited is Praveen Tanjavur K. Praveen Kumar. Praveen Sparsh is the grandson of Sri Tanjavur K. Upendran sir.
Yeah, so buzzer you just wait for the question timer to end and the red timer இருக்கும். I think you are looking to press it very early and you are not concentrating when it actually turns pink.
One minute. Buzzerக்கு நான் ஒரு சின்ன ட்ரிக் சொல்றேன். If you know the answer, question படிச்சோனே ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சா just keep pressing here. எப்படியாவது ஒரு இடத்துல அடிச்சிரும் buzzer.
அத பண்ணி தான் ஒரு வாட்டி முன்னாடியே பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Questionக்கு ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சா.
Okay, Kishore Ramesh, your turn to choose the time.
Can I see the options again? I'm not able to see it. Yeah.
Okay.
மேல.
எங்க?
Like மேல என்ன categories பார்க்க முடியல என்னால ஸ்கிரீன்ல.
You have options only from glitch, mute and blur.
Oh, so blur is 5,000 na? Blur.
Yeah, 5,000 இருக்கு.
1,000 and 5,000 இருக்கு blurல.
1,000 blur.
5,000.
So 5,000?
1,000 blur.
Okay, 1,000. Come on. Yes.
Chandru.
அரியகுடி ராமாஜயங்கார்.
ரொம்ப மாதிரி.
பஸர் பிரஸ் பண்றதுல ஒரு கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன். சாரி.
சர்வசாதாரணமா சொல்றேன் சந்துரு.
Okay, Chandru, choose again. Yeah.
I'll go for mute 2,000.
Okay.
Gayatri. Kishore Ramesh.
E Vasudha nee vanti deivam.
Wonderful. Super.
Beautiful.
So you get to choose, Kishore.
Okay.
Sudha Nevan.
Okay.
Again, okay. What's the middle one?
Middle one is mute. That you have glitch la 4,000 and 5,000. Mute la 1,000, 4,000, 5,000. Rewind and blur la 5,000 each.
I'll go for mute 4,000.
Okay. Shruti
Bhatt.
Sri Rajagopala.
Yeah.
Very good.
How did you know it immediately? She sang Sri Panone buzzer.
No, I have been trying past 3-4 questions varave mattingirde ennodde. I mean buzzer. So I was concentrating on the buzzer.
That was the right.
Yeah.
Glitch 5,000.
Okay.
Rajiv has already pressed.
Okay. Now you have to sing the entire line, Rajiv and Kritika, because you pressed earlier, like before the glitch.
Karma bandha jwaladhi navame.
Okay.
Super.
From the song?
I think we're still in negative. Oh, okay.
It's from the song Ramakatha Sudha.
Yes, from the song Ramakatha Sudha of Tyagarajar. Yes. You get to choose Rajiv and Kritika.
Mute 5,000.
Mute 5,000. Okay. The timer has run down.
Yes.
We don't have any buzzers. No one wants to try even without negative marking.
Audiences on Facebook have all gotten it right.
Oh, super. Very good audience. Yay.
Can you play it again or something?
Okay, from the beginning, because that's the Okay.
Press the buzzer.
No, you can't press the buzzer.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I try? Pankaj Lochana.
Yeah.
Yes, but no points. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so who selects this? Kishore.
Yeah, who selected?
Rajiv and
yeah,
Basika.
right. Yeah.
You get to select. Yeah.
Mute 1000.
Mute 1000. Okay. Shruti?
Vallabha Nayakasya?
Yes, that's correct.
That's correct.
Okay.
So you get to choose Shruti.
Okay. Rewind 5000.
Ashwath, back to picture.
Tu sejari rigi dia petilekan uher tu sejari rigi dia.
Timer is running out. Go fast.
Ran out. Any guesses? I think 5,000 is like tricky, so people don't want to.
Nobody wants to take a chance. Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Any guess? Audience, have they guessed?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shall I play?
Yes, please.
Pahishi Virirajasute.
So the end part of this track will be sa, pa, sa. So we thought then that would be the clue. All right. Again, Rajiv, your chance.
Rajiv?
Glitch 4000.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Rajiv?
Because Rama, you said I should not press the buzzer before. Yeah. I waited. Rajiv pressed it.
He also said that
fulla paadalame.
தாராளமா பாடுவேன்டா நான் இந்த பாட்டை.
அப்ப முதல்ல பிரஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்ல.
Okay, go on. Yeah.
முழங்கும் உடுக்கையும் திருசூலமும் அங்கியும் குரங்கமும்.
Okay, I think that's it.
Yes, super. Lovely. And the last, you get to choose. I mean, you have to answer or you have to like.
No buzzer.
No buzzer.
Yeah.
Illa buzzer da.
Buzzer
da. Yeah. But no choice. Yeah. Violin Vidwan.
Chandru.
V Tyagarajan sir.
Super.
Obvious Chandru. நீ சொல்லலனா அனிருத் உன்கிட்ட பேசுறதே எடுத்துடுவான்.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's the end of this wonderful session we had with these people.
Wow.
We have a clear winner this time.
And Shreya. Yes, super. And Shruti Bhatt is on the second place. Chandru on 8,000. Kishore Ramesh on 6,000. Rajiv 4,000. Kalpalatika and Ravi on 3,000, Srinidhi Govind on minus 4,000, and Divya Ramani and Girish on minus 4,000. Well played, all of you. We had a lot of fun with you guys. Thank you so much for making this carnival really, really memorable for all of us, for the audience, because your contribution has been like invaluable. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Stay on for the last round of Jeopardy. We have just one more set of friends who have contributed enormously to this carnival. Stay on.
The question for audience: in Varishayai Paduvom, what ragams were used to sing the Varishai?
Good one.
Name all the ragams.
Okay, best of luck. First of all, thank you all for being such a pillar of support for this carnival. நம்மளோட மனுஷாளுக்கு நம்மளே சொல்லக்கூடாது, but then it's an appreciation and ஆத்மார்த்தமான feelings that I'm just saying this from my heart. It's been really wonderful to have you on board and enormous contributions. நீங்க எல்லாருமே இதுல amazing, really. Thank you so much for being with us every year after year, and hope to have you all year after year. So a big round of applause for these people from the audience. Yes. Sure, we go on, and we have the big six here. So all questions related to these ragas: Bhairavi, Todi, Kalyani, Shankarabaranam, Kambuji, Kararapriya. So we'll start in the alphabetical order. The first person gets to choose. Avladhan. But choose பண்றவாதா answer பண்ணணும்னு இல்ல. மத்த எல்லாரும் buzzer press பண்ணுங்க as soon as the question is asked. Okay? Yeah.
So we start with Abhishek.
Abhishek, you get to choose the tile.
Yeah, Karaharapriya 1000.
Okay. Who is Karaharapriya? யார் buzzer press பண்ண answer பண்ணாதீங்க, buzzer தான். Subhashri, unmute பண்ணிக்கோமா.
Sita?
Yes, that's the correct answer. Yes. Subhashri, fingertips la sharp-ஆ இருக்கும், பாத்துக்கோங்க. தீட்டிட்டு வந்திருக்கா.
Subhashri, இங்க ஹிமாலயாஸ்ல இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Yeah.
அந்த பேக்ரவுண்ட்ல கொஞ்சம் ப்ளீஸ்.
யாராவது ஒரு அந்த ப்ளீஸ் வெயிட் ஃபார் அப்ரூவல். Is it like அது எப்படி பண்ணனும்?
சரி, வேண்டாம். You just answer.
Yeah, okay. Hello.
Okay. So Subhashri, you get to choose.
Yeah. Bhairavi 2000.
Okay.
Who played the role of JK?
நீ படிக்காத, நீ மியூட்ல போய்டு Subhashri. I'm supposed to do that. And எல்லாரும் buzzer மாத்திரம் ரெடியா இருங்க. Who played the role of JKB's wife Bhairavi in the movie Sindhu Bhairavi? Vasudha.
Sulochana. வளரிட்டேனா?
ஆமா.
Ranjani.
Okay, Ranjani.
Sharanya.
ஐயோ.
I thought this was an easy question.
நானே பரவால.
No one else?
Yeah.
ஸ்பெல்லிங் மிஸ்டேக் ஆயிருக்கு.
ஃபேஸ்புக்ல அமக்கலமா எல்லாரும்.
எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன டவுட் இருக்கு.
yes Swati.
இந்த பஸர்ங்கிறது எனக்கு காமிக்க மாட்டேங்கிறது. ப்ளீஸ் வெயிட் ஃபார் அப்ரூவல்னு தான் வந்துட்டு இருக்கு.
அப்ரூவலா?
ஆமா.
Just refresh பண்ண முடியுமா screen?
Try joining again.
Yeah, try with the same code. Do you remember the code?
Yeah, 0621.
Yeah.
Any Ashwath, any answers coming for the question?
Okay,
audience question?
வந்துருத்து. ஆமா, தர்மபதி, சங்கராபரண, மாயமாளகர் எல்லாம் வருது.
Okay, Swati is back in. So who gets to choose?
I think nobody here, so we go back to Subbu.
Yeah.
Right? We go back to Subhashri. Yes. Subbu, select. Subhashri. Subhashri mute la irukka podrukma nee.
Sorry. Todi 1000. Sorry.
Okay.
Which musician is said to have rendered the raga Todi for 8 days and later pledged this raga until he could repay alone? Subhashri.
Todi Sitaramaya.
Sorry, okay.
Fairly easy one.
Okay, you get to choose again, Subhashri.
Okay.
Shankarabaranam 2000.
Okay.
Identify the connect.
Ranjani.
Ranjani.
Sorry. So one is, I have two guesses. One வந்து Nagesh sir sings it in a cinema called Soap Seep Kannadi.
இல்ல, the only one guess, ஒரே ஒரு ஆன்சர் தான் சொல்லலாம் இங்க.
Okay, Nagesh.
No, connect it to Shankarabaranam.
Oh. I don't know.
Okay. So you okay, Preeti.
Okay. I know.
இல்ல, आज Preeti.
Is it Varaleela Gaanalola and the beat irukku and Tyagaraja beat?
ரொம்ப யோசிக்கிற பிரீத்தி.
எது தியாகராஜ கீர்த்தனம்?
அதான்.
Brocheva வெச்சு.
Brocheva மைசூர் வாசுதேவா.
Vasudha please.
இது வந்து 28ஓட ஜென்னியோ, அடுத்தது 29 சங்கராபரணம்.
Try again.
No, wait. People who have tried, can we please go on mute and then can you put up your hand? You can ask, because kind of I understand it's like a lot of fun, but who wants to try? Ranjani, you want to try again? Okay, fine. Go on, try.
Okay. So in the film Shankarabaranam, in the Telugu film Shankarabaranam, a Western band guy comes to the protagonist. அவர் பேர் மறந்துட்டேன். அது வந்து அது இந்த மாதிரி இது பாடுவேளா அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சவால் ஜவாப் நடக்கும்.
Right. So the song essentially comes in the movie Shankarabaranam.
Okay.
Brinda, I know you did press the buzzer. The thing is, the first three வாழ்க்கு மாத்திரம் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும் அதுல. அதுக்கு அப்புறம்
Okay. Right.
Points அப்புறம் சொல்லலாம். Okay. Yeah. So again, யார் சுபஸ்ரீயா?
ஆமா.
Subhashri gets to choose. Yes. Subhashri, mute.
Again, Sakamboji 3000.
Okay. So you know what this is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
ஒரு பதம் பாட தகிட தகிலியன நடவாட தகுமிகுயன ஒரு பதம் பாட தகிட தகிலியன நடவாட கல்று பசுவினமும் தேவன் கனியோடு குழலோதி மனமெல்லாம் கொள்ளை.
Yeah, Ranjani.
You are on mute, please.
குழலூதி மனமெல்லாம்.
No. You have to, அந்த glitch வந்து நடுவுல இருக்கிற அந்த சாகித்யத்தை you have to fill whatever அந்த rewind sound வந்தது.
தகிட ததிமியன நடமாட.
அப்புறம்
தான் glitch வந்தது.
ஆமா.
தெரியல.
Okay, next யாரு? Who else?
பவ்யா.
கன்று பசுவினமும் நின்று புடை சூழ. அதுக்கப்புறம் தெரியலையே. நின்று புடை சூழ.
அவ்வளவுதான். கரெக்ட். அப்பா பவ்யா, last points gaining now.
Yes, at last.
Okay, so Bhavya, you get to choose.
Shankarabaranam 3000.
Name the other 5 ragas in the Bana Chakra. Subhashri.
Mara Ranjani, Charukeshi, Sarasangi, Harikambodi, Naganandini.
Yeah. Naga Nandini is correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Super. Lovely. So you get to choose, Subhashri.
Yeah. Okay. Bhairavi 3000.
Which famous composition in Bhairavi is also sung in Saveri? Brinda.
Yaro, ivar yaro.
Correct. Yes. Yaro, ivar yaro. Abdin Saveri la. Yaro, ivar yaro. But book la lam potrukkiradhu Saveri. Yeah. Okay, Brinda gets to choose. Super.
Todi 3000.
Okay.
Gajavadana Sammodita of Kumar Ettendra is composed in praise of
Ranjani.
Ranjani, go ahead.
Unmute Ranjani.
Kumara Yatendra has composed the Raja of that place. Kumara Yatendra?
No, the composition is in praise of
Murugan, Kumaraswamy.
Yeah. Okay, correct. You get to choose, Ranjani.
Oh, okay. Kalyani, 3,000.
Oh my God.
Okay, we have enough buzzers.
Yeah, Brinda da first.
Kantimati.
யார் கம்போசர் சொல்ல முடியுமா? We'll give it to you, but yeah.
I'm not 100% sure.
Say it.
Okay, I'm not sure.
Say it, correct.
Subram Dikshit.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, you get to choose now, Brinda.
Kalyani, 4,000.
Okay, Appa, opening those two lines now. Name the composition that traces important turning points in Lord Rama's life, from helping Vishwamitra to protect his yaga, to slaying Tataka, to blessing Ahalya, to breaking the bow at Mithila to unite with Sita. யாரு செலக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கா?
எனக்கும் நிருபதம்.
No.
அதுல ஃபுல்லா வருமே அஹல்யா.
This is Kalyani, right? Only Kalyani we are
Only Kalyani.
Starting
not a Ragamalika.
Subhashri?
Okay. Nijadasa Varada.
Can you sing the lines?
Kaushika Yagari Tataka.
Good. Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank
Correct.
you.
அதுதான். அப்பாடா எனக்கு நிம்மதியா இருக்கு.
I think we have to just speed up.
Yeah.
Getting delayed for the.
Yes.
Yeah. Subhashri, come on, choose.
Quick.
Oh yeah, I have to choose. Bhairavi 1000.
என்ன நீ அங்கேயே இருக்க? Okay, Ananda Bhairavi. A for Ananda Bhairavi, N for Nata Bhairavi, S for Sindhu Bhairavi, and S for
Bhavya.
Talaga Bhairavi.
Okay, done. Super. Bhavya, you get to choose.
Shankarabaranam 1000.
நித்தம் அன்பு செய் குரத்தி அத்தியோடு இனித்து வாழும் நாதா. சொல்ல வர மாட்டேன். ஐடென்டிஃபை தி கிருதி. பாடி பழகி விட்டு.
சுக்குமோ லகிதுப்புலி ஆயிடுது.
முத்துக்குமரையனே.
Yes, correct. Brinda, correct.
It's going to be rapid fire from here, guys. Quick.
Brinda, you get to
choose.
Kalyani 1000.
Okay.
Name the demons mentioned in the Geetam Kamalajadala. Yaar solla poral? Who's going to press the buzzer? Subhashri.
கேசி நரகாசுர அவ்வளவுதானே
சொன்னியே ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு.
கேசி நரகாசுர.
கேசி நரகாசுரன் அவ இனிஷியல் நினைச்சுட்டான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, Subbu.
Go on.
Okay, Subbu, you get to choose. Yeah.
Kamboji 4000.
Appa Subbu.
Adi samasta Bhagavathula.
Bhagavathula Bhusuradi.
Subbu, mute yourself.
Bhagavathula Purinche. Basura Kalindi Bhaskara Kuladri Deepa. Identify all the Pallavis.
Subbu.
What? Identify all the Pallavis.
All the
okay,
Pallavis.
the third one is Rasavilasa.
Amma.
Bhagavathula போஷின்ச்சே தெரியலையே, எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் வர மாட்டேங்கிறது.
Quick, running out of time. I think she ran out of time.
Yeah. Next yaru? Abhishek. Yes.
Abhishek. Unmute Abhishek, unmute please.
அந்த மூணாவது கண்டுபிடிச்சேன் பார்த்தேன், பாக்கி முதல் ரெண்டு வரல.
Oh my god, முதல் ரெண்டு வரலையா?
சரி.
Swati, என்னாச்சு? ஆன்சரே காணுமே. Okay, who else now?
Brinda. Brinda, unmute, please.
Brinda?
Brinda?
Are you there, Brinda?
No, I think we lost Brinda.
Ayyo.
Oh.
She's in the call.
She's in the call, but she's not a video therida. If you can't speak, you can type the answer on the chat window, Brinda. Quickly. I think we have to let it go.
Okay, who is the next? Sorry, Brinda.
Okay.
Next yaru?
Preeti, huh?
Subramanya, namaste. First one, Bhusaradi Samasta.
Okay.
Third one, second.
Third one.
Second one. Every Mata.
Wait. Abhishek. Out of turn pannade Abhishek. No, sorry. Brinda, you're back.
Brinda's back.
Brinda, you're back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Answer if you know.
Shri Subramanya, namaste.
Yes.
மூணாவது வந்து சொல்லியாச்சு.
Quick.
Okay, I think we have to let it go.
Yeah. Sorry, no one. Yeah. The first one.
Shri Raghu.
Namaste. Every Mata Rasavilasa Shri Raghuvara. Yes. So I think Subhashri gets to select a.
Yeah. Okay. Kamboji 2000.
Name a Tevarappan equivalent to the Raga Kamboji. Preeti?
Takeshi.
Okay, good. Okay. So you get to choose Preeti.
Quick. Preeti, choose quickly.
Todi 5000.
Wow. Opening the 5000. Identify the actual raga played in this clip.
Stop it. Bhavya?
Jidda Thodi?
No.
Hey, identify the actual raga.
Played in this clip.
Kalyani.
Who said that?
Who said that?
Subhashri.
Correct.
Correct.
Yeah, it was her turn. Correct, Subhashri. Yes.
Can you play the actual just Suma? Tambura Nishad around. Good, Rama. Move on.
Okay.
Correct guesses from the audience to this one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Kararapriya 2000.
Okay.
We should go for 5,000.
Oh, எல்லா பாயிண்ட்டும் போறதுக்கா? போமே ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ்ல.
Swati, wow, come on.
Is it Thiruvilayadal?
No. Abhishek.
Tilana Mohanambal?
No.
No.
Anjani?
Rudraveena?
No.
Audience guess vandirka? Any audience guesses?
Ashwath?
Yes, வந்திருக்கு. Yes. நிறைய வந்திருக்கு.
சுனால் முடியும் தம்பி.
Kamal sir நடிச்சது. Okay, fine. Okay, next one. So who gets to choose this?
Subbu again.
Not me. Subbu. Okay. Bhairavi 4000.
Arvinda Nayana Pavana
Sundaresha Suguna Brunda Dasharatha Nandana Aravinda Nayana Pavana.
Okay. Any guesses?
Yeah, the timer is also run.
Okay, Ranjani.
Second one is Yenati Nomu, Halamu. First one, Therila.
Anyone else?
So இது ஃபுல்லா ரவுண்ட் கொடுத்துடலாமா சார்?
ரெண்டு சொல்லிருக்காளே அதனால இது is 4000 right, so we can give her half. Yeah,
okay,
half the points. Yes, so then the answer is yes.
Okay,
rendume Tyagarajar compositions. The other one is very very rare. Okay, now Ranjani da select half. You got right. Yeah, Ranjani select.
Quick. 44,000.
Find the composition hidden in the picture.
I think somebody has pressed the buzzer. Ranjani. Ranjani?
Dani Samajendra.
Yes. Right. Correct. You choose the next type.
Yeah. Kalyani 5,000.
Identify the composition from the picture.
Okay.
Brinda?
Lambodara Sodara.
Good.
Wow. Navamani.
Amazing.
Yeah. Great.
You get to choose the next one. Brinda, quick.
Yeah.
Kalyani 2,000.
Which chakram does the Kamalamba Navavarna Kirti in Kalyani?
Kalyani represent. Yes, Vasudha, come on. Vasudha, yes. Unmute.
No, I don't know.
Oh my God, sing the Charanam.
Okay.
Navamani Chakranu, Sarvasha Paripuraka Chakra.
You are there.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay.
Okay, then I'll have to give her. She was at minus 4,000, and this was for 2,000, so she goes to minus 2,000.
Yeah. Okay. So you get to choose, Vasudha.
Vasudha, unmute and choose next
Kambodi
question.
1,000.
Okay. Come on, this is
Compose the Varnam Taruni Ninnu Basi.
Brinda.
I just had violin Ponus.
Yeah, right.
It's fine.
Correct. Fiddle.
Okay. Just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
I think valedictory kaha our guests are waiting.
Okay.
So if El Rama and Bharat continue the quiz, I will just leave the quiz for now. Sorry, guys.
Yes, Akka, bye.
We will just start there, and you people please come and join us there.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay, next. Who's got to choose next?
Naan choose panna.
Yeah.
Okay. Kambodi 5,000.
Okay. Why is your left leg crippled and useless? Ask Shiva. Who am I? Brinda? Who am I?
Oh,
I asked Shiva. Who am I?
Mama,
Quick. Vasudha is like jumping, but you have not pressed the buzzer.
Kavi.
No, I think time out.
Yeah.
Anjani? No, Vasudha. Sorry, Vasudha.
Papanasam Mudalayar.
Yes. Papanasam Mudalayar.
Papa?
Papanasam Mudalayar.
No.
Ella spelling
Ranjani?
Papanatha Shivan.
No.
Teacher,
I think we will not pass more. No, we are running out of time. Preeti, yeah, sorry.
Papa Vinasha Mudaliya.
Yeah, but you are not getting any points, Preeti, sorry. Brinda, you get to choose. Quick.
Bhairavi 5,000.
Identify the compositions by connecting the pictures. All three. Brinda? தெரியாம அமுக்கிட்டியா?
Actually, yeah. Janani Mama.
Yeah. Then?
Then? Okay. Janani Mama. அதுக்கப்புறம் இவரது ஸ்ரீ கமலாம்.
Yeah. Sorry. What is the connect? Time irka Rama?
Navaratri இல்ல.
Yeah.
Time up.
Yeah, time up.
Half right?
Yeah. So I'm going to give up 3,000 points for this.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the other connect? Anybody else can say that? The next one. Who's the next one?
Fifth composition in both. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who said that?
Subhashri.
Did you press the buzzer?
Yeah, I did. Ana, I think மூணு பேர் ஏற்கனவே பிரஸ் பண்ணிருப்பான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
அப்படினா you should have waited, Subhashri, for the second one to answer.
That's okay. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. Nobody gets points for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, Brinda gets half for
Yeah. For the correct, no one gets. Next one.
Yeah, Brinda, your chance to choose.
Shankarabharanam 4,000.
Identify the composition.
Vasudha?
Sure. Sundareshwarai namaste.
Super.
அப்பா தெய்வமே ஜீரோக்கு கொண்டு வாங்கப்பா.
-3.
Next. Let's choose question.
Let's choose the question.
Todi 2000.
Okay.
Spot the connect. Abhishek, go.
Vasudha again.
Acted in Todi Ragam, hero.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Right.
Choose
awesome.
next question. Apri unmute பண்ணாத choose next question.
Anna, excuse me, just my buzzer is not at all working. Like
அப்படிilla இல்ல எல்லா பஸரும் வர்க் தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு.
வர்க் ஆகுது. ஆனா எவ்வளவு ஃபாஸ்டா பண்ணாலும் மூணாவது நாளா இருக்கு.
Actually எனக்குமே சங்கராபரணம் மூவி.
No, you have to just keep at it if you know the answer. Next question.
Shankarabharanam 5000.
Yes.
What is unique about Mysore Vasudevacharya's composition Annu Bro Chuttak Kevarunaru? Buzzer.
Wow.
Well, okay, there is a swaram which he composed in that English band and the horse odra mari and mari or kind of swaram and the king ketarni he has composed.
What is unique?
Treat niri ni padat.
Illa what is unique about the composition? Yeah, you're right, but what is unique? Correct word பண்ணி சொல்லு.
The no
கொடுத்தாலும் half
போன மாட்டேங்குது.
Okay, next is Ranjini, can you say?
போன மாட்டேங்குது.
There are two parents, one after
half varma.
Wait.
Half Ranjini, go.
Ranjini got it, yeah.
There are two Chittai swarams, one
after. Yeah, you're right. I think Ranjini gets the points, Rama.
Okay, and Subhashri?
No.
Okay.
Next one. Ranjini, choose next question.
Yes. I can't see the board yet.
Yeah, now.
Karahara Priya 5000.
8,000. Good.
These brothers say it is our fate that decides if we achieve the true spirit of Panchakshara. Ranjini.
I don't know. I just press. Panchaksharam idam punyam. Something like
no,
that.
No,
next.
Next, who pressed the buzzer? No one.
There is no next. 5,000 now, usually there is no next.
Time இன்னும் wait பண்ணு இருக்கு.
Yeah.
0.
Yeah.
Okay. The answer is விதி இல்லாருக்கு விரும்பினாலும் விதிக்குமோ நமச்சிவாய. அனையா.
Ranjini will choose the next question also.
Ranjini?
Karahara Priya 4,000.
Good. Nada Tanu Manisham and Chittaranjani is sung as Janya of Karahara Priya mostly. In another Shishya Parampara of Tyagaraja, it is sung as Janya of Abhishek. Solle. Unmute.
Yeah.
Time is running out, Abhishek.
Come on. No, it's the other.
It's the other, yes. What is the other? The next one. Next one.
Can I say?
Yeah.
Sankara Dwani.
Yeah, correct.
Last
question. Yeah. Open. Which composition has been sung in all three ragas? Kararapriya, Bhairavi, and Natabhairavi. Abhishek. Answer this at least.
Flute la vasipale first.
Yeah. Go.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Yo.
Adache.
You made it easy for others. நீ மட்டும் சொல்லாம இன்னும் ஓகே.
நீ என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சனா அப்புறம் அடச்ச தூம்ப நீ.
சரி ஓகே. Next is Preeti.
சேதுலார.
Yes. Clue லாம் கொடுத்தேனா. அடச்சே தூ இப்படிலாம்.
Actually, audience comments later there is an interesting trivia that we hadn't noticed. And Rudra Velan சொன்னா இல்லையா ரஞ்சனி for the question. அது உன்னால் முடியும் தம்பியோட தெலுங்கு version அது.
Okay.
Okay, the winner is
Ranjani. We are very sorry, Ranjani.
Thank you.
Ranjani, we are very sorry.
Give me one chance later.
Thank you. We'll all give it
one chance later.
One chance later.
We have to close the call right away. It's time for validity. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us.
Thank you. Bye. See you for validity.
Bye.